screen mirroring your Samsung Galaxy A57. First of all, what you have to do is just to open the system settings on your phone, and you have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your phone, on your A57, but also on your TV. This is actually necessary. Without this, you will be not able to be connected. Now, we have to go back and to start mirroring open connected devices. And by the way, you can only do that by using wireless connection. We cannot actually do this by connecting with HDMI cable. So right now, don't go to the storage refresh. We have to go actually for the smart view. Now, on the list, you can find all TVs. You have to click on yours. And right now on your TV, you will find the data request, as you can see. And here on your TV, you have to just simply accept by using your remote controller. So click accept. And right now, as you can see, we have just successfully started mirroring our A57 into our TV. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next tutorials.